I have the Nintendo Switch, and I'll be showing you how to free up space on your Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you need to do is check out how much space you have. So let's go to System Settings. Under System Settings, go to Data Management, and you can see at the top of the Data Management page how much free space we have in our system memory, which is the internal memory of your Switch, and how much space we have in a micro SD card if you have one installed on your Nintendo. So the easiest way to the easiest way to free up space is to delete games you're not using. Okay, so you can go into Data Management and then scroll to Manage Software. Select that, and here you can see clearly all your apps and how much space they are occupying. Okay, so let's say let's say you've not been playing this game. Deleting this game will save you 1.1 gigs of storage space. Okay, so what you want to do is select that. That's going to open this page. So there are two options. You can either archive the software, and you can also delete the software. Now, archiving will retain the icon on the home page. Deleting will delete the software, but will still keep the save game data for when you want to re-download it in future. You can just pick up from where you left. So this will only delete the software. So let's go ahead and delete and confirm you want to delete that particular software, and that's going to recover 1.1 gigs. All right. Now, if that game had a lot of saved data, which you also want to delete, then you can go back to the data management page. You can see we are back to the data management page. Now here, you want to scroll to the bottom until you see delete save data. So select that, and then you want to find the save data for that particular game. For instance, this is the game we just deleted. It has only 18.3 MB. Now, you don't need to delete 18.3 MB, but if in case this game had a lot of saved data, then you can also come here, select that, and delete either for your own user. It says delete save data for WebPro, which is my user account. Now, if you have another user on this Nintendo Switch also playing this game, this will not delete their own saved data. But if you want to delete all the saved data for all users, if you're the admin, then you can just select that, and that's going to delete and cannot be recovered. So just confirm successfully deleted saved data for that particular game. So those are the two main ways you can recover storage space or free up storage space on your Nintendo Switch. Another way is to go into Album, and here you can select videos and screenshots that you don't want to keep and delete them. So for instance, you can just come here, select that, delete, and then select everything you want to delete, and then confirm by deleting, and that's going to free up some storage space, of course depending on how many and how big those files were. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.